An ally has been slain.
Lumabas ka dyan. Lumabas siya dyan.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Your life will fix eternity.
Attack the turtles.
Yeah!
Dito po si Gushot.
Slain.
Hindi naman ako takot sa kanya.
Slain. An ally has slain the turtle.
Praise his name. The defier of death. The bestower of eternity. To dust!
You have slain an enemy.
Wither! Wither! Wither!
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
All will fear his name. The ravenous
Backup.
the insatiable one. Rage eternal!
Your team destroyed a turret.
Pinupunit si Alice. Ah,
Our turret
angas
has
ka
been
na,
destroyed.
Diro. Angas ni Diro. Oh! Oh, lalo!
Has been slain. Killing spree.
Rotten decay.
Hello, kapatid. What if bot na naman tong kalaban namin?
Ult is not ready. Mega kill.
Hindi ko na mapapatawag si Munton kung bot to.
More! More!
Launch attack. Monster kill. Request backup. Mega kill.
Hindi ako yaban. Kaso mukhang last game ko na po ko yaban.
Monster
Be
kill.
freed from your mortal.
Hunter kill.
Death's inevitability.
Ult is not ready.
Rage eternal.
Ult is ready. An enemy has been slain.
All things perish.
An enemy has been slain.
Hey.
Legendary.
Oh, wait.
Legendary. Enemy has been slain.
Insatiable is my
Awit
craving.
sa'yo.
Legendary.
Punit.
Mortality is the truest trick played upon us. Rage eternal.
Legendary.
You will serve as purpose.
Legendary.
Padamihan legendary oh.
There will be blood.
Padamihan oh, padamihan oh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ito ba oh, kakatukin ko ito ba oh. Padamihan oh.
Your life for a taste of eternity.
Sapi ako ni Angela eh.
Legendary.
Woo! Paano ako gumanon? Tinula ako ng base? Niligtas ako ng tori ng kalaban? Pwede yun?
Gather up the turtle. Destroyed a turret.
Ano? Bakit ako gumanon?
Gorge and ravage.
Hindi naman ako nag-ulti.
Rust and decay.
Tinulak ako ng... Pwede tinulungan ako ng tori nila. May tula kahit walang creeps. I mean yun. Amazing.
Legendary.
Rust and decay.
Patay na sana ako nun.
Clear up lanes. Killing spree.
Ravenous claw. Ravenous claw.
Palumpalo. Palumpalo si ate, oh. Te. May kapakate. Palo ka, te.
Slaying the turtle.
Look. Hindi, kaya nyo pa yan. Kayanin nyo yan.
Your life for a taste of eternity.
Legendary.
Takot, pati pantot. Ah! Look at that sound. Look.
You destroyed a turret.
Rinig niyo yung tunog. Tapos, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 8 minutes pa lang paubos na. May loose trick ata sa inyo. Baliw, kada talo namin binibigyan kami ng hindi kami loose trick, guys. Nakakatatlong bot na yun na. Kada, di ba, panalo, talo, tapos bot, panalo, tapos tao, talo, tapos bot, panalo na naman. Ano yun, Monton? Ano yun? Anong kaanuhan yun? Wait lang, titignan ko nga. Nice G na ako, guys. Nakakatatlong bot sa isang araw? Pwede ba yun? Dahil daw sa skin? Dahil sa skin? Loko yun na. Pero mamaya maglalaro pa ako tapos i-flex ko yung skin ko sa mga tao. Taong maglalaro mamayang madaling araw. Maglalaro pa ako, guys. Susulitin ko na to. Pero yun na nga, guys, last game ko na yun. At thank you so much sa lahat na tumambay sa ating live. See you again tomorrow. Ayan, see you again in my next live. Shoutout muna tayo bago mag-end. Sino pa mga present dyan at hindi natin na siya shoutout. Yan, shoutout kay Jazzy Scrolling. Kakapasok mo pa lang. Wala, late ka na. 4 hours and 20 minutes na ako. Yan, sa mga hindi pa guys nakakapag-follow, follow nyo lang tong ating account para makita nyo pa ako next live. Kay Nior, kay Kuya Alan, kay King Masha. Hello po. Yan. Thank you so much din sa mga nag-send ng gifts and stars. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye!